Good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 23. Austin made me a lovely espresso. Or is it an Americano if it has milk in it? It's a cappuccino. Okay. Cheers to that. It is a very rainy, ugly day today, but I need to return something that I bought from The Real, so we're gonna go to Soho, return that, maybe return some other things too, who knows, and then come back. I have a few more gifts, like stocking gifts to get for Austin, and then just hanging tonight because it's the 23rd. It's so close to Christmas. For the two of us, it's giving only children. Like, how is this tree so plentiful for just us two? Love. Like I mentioned, it's raining today, and for some reason I've been gravitating towards a hat when it's raining, but not like a beanie. So this one's from Aloe. Some days I think it looks like a mushroom. Other days I don't know. Sashi Suki hoop. I'm wearing a Uniqlo long sleeve and then my helmet laying cardigan over it with this super puff vest. I hope it's warm enough. My new Ulla Johnson dark wash denim jeans. I gotta do a separate thing on that. I love these. And then just the usual, the Sambas. And we're ready to go hit Soho. Cute. Oh, it's just a casual jean, but it's fine. Just got these Levi jeans in the mail. I actually bought 3 pairs because they were so cheap and they were doing a big discount, but I ended up keeping the ones I'm wearing, but I will say that these are a really good dupe for them, the 501. They're definitely a little bit slimmer than the ones I'm wearing, which I got on super sale from Intermix. From Ulla Johnson. They're so cute. They're the perfect straight leg. They're a little bit slim, but it's a 32 inseam, which for me is like the perfect inseam length. So these are the ones I ended up keeping, and because they were on super sale, I paid about $100 for them, which is an absolute steal. The last piece that I got from the Intermix sale was a splurge item, but I feel like I haven't splurged since getting laid off, and I feel like I owed myself something stunning, which Austin helped me decide to get, and it is the Acne Studios leather jacket. I've been needing a leather jacket, so sorry, I'm like so careful with it. Oh, she's heavy, but she's so gorgeous, and I got her for a really good price, like $550 from, I think it was like 1,000 or like 1,100. So a really good deal. Let's try her on. Could use some waxing. Oh, it's a little bit short. But I think that's minor, right?
Yeah.
It's slightly short. But it's actually a good size for me. Like, I don't think I thought it was gonna be really tight. It's not tight. The zipper is not easy to do. But yeah, I would say it fits perfectly. Cute. Gorge. Gorge, gorge, gorge. Wow, Austin, look at those camera angles. It's really nice. Okay, thank you. Just made a quick lunch. I'm trying to recreate the spicy tuna from Joe and the Juice, so let's see how we did. Taste test. The fitness bread is a little bit, like, I hope it doesn't break. That's bomb. Apparently the one at Joe and the Juice has Tabasco, but I don't think you need hot sauce. I mean, I guess you could if you wanted. but I think it's so good. Yum. It was flurrying outside for a little bit, but now it looks like it's stopped. I'm going to a yoga class. My favorite yoga class that I like to take, it's called Yin Yoga Meditation at Equinox. It's just prolonged stretching poses, but I always feel amazing afterwards. And they like also talk through meditation. Just a great like relax. But I also need to go to Levi's to return the jeans, pick up some of those stocking stuffers for Austin. And then we're gonna try to get a reservation tonight at a popular restaurant and see if we can swing that. We're gonna go at like 5, try to see if they have any openings for the night, and then if they do, move some things around. If not, we'll figure something else out. But we're like, oh, it's the week, it's literally like 2 days before Christmas, so the time to try to go to restaurants that are like on and poppin' is now. And I'm looking in this lighting. I did the Glossier stretch concealer and the skin perfecting tint. The skin perfecting tint is growing on me. I know in the initial video I said I didn't like it, but it's growing on me. Like, I think my skin has cleared up significantly from that breakout, and it's a lot easier to wear that. And then I'm wearing the Halo Glow powder on top, which I really like for the winter. It's super natural. Day 6 of Hanukkah. And Austin lit the menorah. Chef Austin is making his martini. So what do we have here thus far? What did you do of each?
We have 2.5 units of vodka, half of the dry vermouth. I'm not like a super vermouth lover.
No,
so
it's pretty good. Well, the one that we had recently was good.
This is good vermouth.
And you did a big shot.
And then a big shot, more than usual, extra dirty on the brandy side.
Okay, but you did 2 of these in the big or the little?
2 and 1.
2, so 2 of these, 1 of
2 and
these.
1 big of that, and then 1 big of that.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then ice.
Let's get the glass out of the fridge.
You gonna shake her up? She's frosty. We're having a pre-dinner snack of carrots, cucumbers, and ranch because, thank you, Austin. Because I'm from California, if you didn't know. And I'm drinking a Kin in Bloom. Oh, sorry, Austin has his moment. Ooh. She looks filthy. I'm drinking a Kin in Bloom mixed with these ginger beers that my cousin bought me from Seattle. She shipped them to us as a little Christmas gift. This is just the original ginger beer. The ingredients are great. It's just water, lemon, ginger, pure cane sugar, and it tastes like fresh squeezed ginger. There's white peach, spicy pineapple, mango. We're gonna have to figure out how to finish it all because apparently it's a 6-week expiration. So expect lots of mixing with the ginger beer. Okay, we are heading out to Lilia, which I'm very excited about. We snagged a last minute reservation. Here is what I'm wearing. This is a Kate dupe cardigan from Banana Republic. It's so warm. Thick sleeves. I got it during Labor Day sale. This is from Splendid. It's just like a plain basic turtleneck, but it makes it really easy to layer something like this with. The skirt is Zara. Love these. Uniqlo tights, Stuart Weitzman platform boots, leg clasp, hoops, and then I just did my hair in this, which is a little bit risky given how cold it is outside. Here's Austin. He's wearing his new Chelsea boots, which he's very excited about. And I promise his outfit's really cute. As is he.
Do I tell us the brands?
No. Merry Christmas, everyone. It is finally Christmas. It is about 3 o'clock. Austin and I opened gifts this morning. We went for a long walk. It is so weird to not be with family, but it was so relaxing to not be. We spent last night out with some friends and just went to dinner, hung out, had a grand old time. And I think I'm gonna do a separate video on everything that I ended up getting to share with you guys as ideas for yourself. I always love watching them to get ideas for myself. And yeah, we're gonna make some fun things for dinner tonight that I think I'm going to include in this vlog. And then we'll be just in regular scheduled programming. I have a few other videos coming up of some plans for being laid off and like how to get back into the swing of things. And then of course, New Year's resolutions and probably some New Year's Eve content too. So let's get into that. But of course, Merry Christmas. Duh. Got the wine out. We had our little cheese snack. If you guys like cheese, which I do, thanks for asking. Cypress Grove, enough said. Delicious. We've got the latkes going. Austin's got his octopus starter. And then we have our finisher, little steak. And then as a little surprise treat for tomorrow, my sourdough bread loaf, which I can't wait for. And apparently we're also making sugar cookies. It's a big day. It's a lot going on. The latkes are done. We used an Alison Roman recipe. Look pretty good. That pan is so hot. What's the review? Good?
8 out of 8 candles.
8 out of 8 candles. That's big. Here's my little baby loaf. She's so small, but I hope it works out. I have to fold it now. Sorry, we have flies from the freaking sourdough starter. But I need to fold it, and then that'll be another 2 hours, and then I can proof it overnight in the fridge. So fingers crossed. I've never done this before. I'm truly just bored and trying to throw a passion into something. First course, it's octopus with a latke. And then there's like a creme fraiche, sour cream underneath, parsley on top, and I believe a chimichurri. Looks delicious. And we've got our Gambe glass of, whoa. And he's in-house, ladies. He's in-house. Okay, I know I said I would finish this vlog, but I had to show you guys. I just finished baking my little loaf. You can see it's so tiny. I have to let it cool for 2 hours, which feels like forever, but I had to show you guys at least what she looks like. And don't make the mistake I did, which was putting a bunch of flour on the bottom. That will be a problem for when we get there. But I'm so excited she's done, and Merry Christmas. Okay, here's the inside. Clearly there was some issues with the air bubbles, but y'all, it tastes so good. I'm so excited for my second round next week with some butter, Kerrygold. Ooh,